We have here a Honda Accord with 200,000 miles. The passenger side headlight is original to the car. The driver's side headlight was replaced sometime in its life. Remember, the car has 200,000 miles. And with Hondas, if you wait too long, the tops of the lights get permanent sunburn. There's nothing you can do because it's on the inside. It's through and through. But for 200,000 miles, these lights look great now. You could see at night, and the owner was very, very happy. So remember, South Florida, Broward County, Miami-Dade, Palm Beach County, give us a call. We're mobile. 754-302-0769. You could even text us your pictures and we'll get back to you. Thank you for watching this video.